Well, here we go. We are here. It's day 2, and last night I slept really, really well. What was just, so nice. There was no tent this time, and it wasn't broken, and there was no wet grass to crawl out to like the last adventure. I slept well in a bed that's so nice. I'm excited about today as well. Yesterday was a long slog. We got absolutely drenched. I know it's raining the entire time we're here, but today is the big day. Today is where we get to do the Devil's Staircase, the Brecons. I'm just really excited and can't wait. I've had my breakfast now, I've had my shower, so I'm all refreshed and ready to go. But interesting, last night, when we were literally had our food, we sat at the bar, we grabbed the beer, we sat down next to a nice little roaring fire. We were chatting about what our plans are for tomorrow, because we're literally just winging this. There's no real plan other than, doing the Brecons and doing Snowdonia. So we're chatting away, and there's an old boy sat there in the corner. I think he was drinking a bit of brandy or whiskey or something, and he overheard us, and he turned around and sort of said, guys, he goes, if you're thinking of doing the Devil's Staircase, you really need to listen to the myth. And he told us a story, and the story went like this. So we were sat at the bar, we grabbed our last pint, we were sat next to the roaring fire, talking about the trip, saying that we were about to go to the Devil's Staircase, dead excited. I've done it once before, but I've never done it on the monkey. So we were sat there, we were chilling, and there was an old boy sat in the corner, sipping his little glass, I think, of whiskey or cognac. And he obviously overheard us, because he said, lads, he said, I hear you said you were going to the Devil's Staircase. Let me tell you a little story. So I was there going like, oh, this would be interesting. He goes, there's a myth, a rumour, that many, many years ago, that there was a young lad from the village, and he set off on his bike, and he'd literally just got his bike, and he went off to a little adventure across the Brecons, and he went and headed to the Devil's Staircase. And when he got up to the Devil's Staircase, he said he thought he saw something, but when he looked, it wasn't there. So then he continued, and he saw something again, and he looked, and it wasn't there. And he was confused and worried. It was cold, it was wet, it was getting dark, and he came across an inn. So he went into the inn, and he booked himself in the room for a night. And then he looked over at a roaring fireplace, at a chair, and he thinks he saw the devil. He looked at the barman, said, excuse me, did you see that? Did you see that? And the barman said, I don't know what you're talking about, mate, you might be really tired. He said, yeah, you're probably right. And apparently he went to bed. And then the next day, when the barman, the innkeeper, was going to wake him up to say, you've got to go, mate, it's been too long, he knocked on the door, and he wasn't there. He'd vanished. All that was left was his helmet on the bed. So the myth and the story happened, or did it not? Anyway, I'm not scared. Of course I'm not scared, because I'm helmet head. So we're going to head there on the monkeys, the Devil's Staircase, and we're going to go and see for ourselves, and we're going to laugh at it because it's a bit of a giggle. So let's get ready, let's jump on the bike. Right then, buddy, are you ready?
Oh yes.
Yeah?
100%.
We're finally here. I've already got that with my rucksacks already ready to turn. The bikes are soaked, but we'll dry them out properly. We'll get on those hills.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go, dude.
Are you sure you're ready?
Let's start this adventure.
Where are we going?
We're winging it. We're heading to the Brecons. I've put it in the sat nav, a route I've done before, but we're going to wing it, so we probably won't follow it.
We're taking the Devil's Staircase.
Well, that's if we can find it. We've got to find it.
Before we go, are you a bit apprehensive about last night talking to that Trevor guy or what?
Well, no, not really, because he was an old boy, probably a bit tipsy. So I just think he was making it up. He told a good story.
Yeah.
But no, not really. But we'll find out. If we get to the Devil's Staircase and there's a massive devil there, or there's a big ring of fire above the top of us, I'll push you off your bike and I'll leg it. All right.
All right then. I've got Trevor's mobile number, so if anything.
Well, I've got my mum on speed dial.
Even better.
Right, dude. Right, dude, look at it. We're on a heading up now. We're heading up into the Brecons.
Oh, yes, we are.
Look at this for a road.
Oh, look, left don't fall off, mate. Absolutely gorgeous.
Apply the power.
Woo!
Whoa!
Come on, monkey!
They're flying, mate, they're flying. We're at 44. So, We could go back to the future any second. Oh no, that's 88, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at that, man. Look, sheep. Oh, look. Ah, bah, bah. Oh,
Wow. Look at this. Oh, hello.
Look. Welcome to Wales, the land
Hello.
of the sheep.
Wow.
Look, mate. Look, just look at this road.
Hey, Sean. Right, Sean.
It's beautiful. Can I ask you a question, mate?
Come on, mate.
Did you put on brew?
Oh, no. I forgot.
I'm just going to pull over here because these sheep are going to ravage you.
Yeah.
And then I'll pull off, see? Oh no, look, because I've got brute on, look what happens.
Yeah.
Oh mate, if I pull off, do you think they'll all chase you?
But I'm sticking this in, mate. Can't have one of them chasing me.
Do you want to leg it?
Yeah, let's go.
If I go really quick, they'll start running towards you, mate. It'll be dangerous. Can you handle it?
What can you handle?
Go, 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 go! The moment that Oppo was last seen. Well, we're in the Brecons. We're having a little bit of fun, making some cinematic shots, but I tell you what, it's absolutely excellent. I mean, it is just the vastness. You just can't literally ever show anybody on camera, but just for miles, all you can see is just fields and hills and sheep, and it's just so lovely. Lots of trucks going past, so it's obviously a main route, but you know, when you're just winging it and you come across this sort of stuff, it's pretty cool.
Baby, something about you makes me feel like crazy, dumb and lazy about you. Makes me check out on my phone. Baby, something about you makes me feel like crazy, dumb and lazy about you. Makes me check out on my phone. Ring my phone again. It's you. It's 3 a.m. I think you feel the same. You feel the same, babe. Something in my mind tell me that you are the perfect one. I can't get you out. I will never leave. It's like my love. Something in my mind tell me that you are the perfect one. I can't get you out. I will never leave. It's like my love. I don't want to look around, yeah. I will never let you down, yeah. Something.
So how often do you ride along and you just pull over and this happens? Wild horses. I mean, look, that's just beautiful. I've got nothing for you though, buddy. I'm sorry. Let's not get... No. Look, let's not get too close. I've got no food for you, mate. So, in Wales, and this happens. Oh look, he's not bothered, is he, at all? Not by cars or anything. That's crazy. Nice to meet you though. My name's Helmet Head. I'm going to call you the Helmet Head Steed. No? Not interested?